Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our webinar series that's designed to help auto dealers, car dealers to survive in the upcoming market changes. My name is Jiří Marek, and I'm here in Konica Minolta IT Solutions Czech, responsible for product marketing. And I will be your guide in today's webinar. Today's webinar is a part of the webinar series. Today we will be focusing on customer data and 360 customer view and how it can help you in your daily scenarios. It is part of the webinar series. The upcoming two parts will be focusing on sales process, and the third part on marketing and that very important retention or care after sales part of your business. And what connects all these topics is the actual data platform or your system platform that deals that uses the customer data in one unified way, and how it can give you the edge in the upcoming changes and against your competition. And now, without further ado, I will pass the word to our automotive expert, Ludovík Kabáč, who will be your presenter today.
Thank you, Jirko, for the introduction. So, hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Ludovík Kabáč, and I'm the product manager for Konica Minolta Automotive CRM solution. This solution and I share a unique bond, as I've been involved in this journey from the very first step, crafting the initial database tables. Our team has spent years learning from experiences and feedback, using that to improve this solution. So it's fair to say that our solution is created, let's say, by dealers for dealers. And today, I will unwrap the potential of the app and discuss how it can streamline your sales process. Just a friendly reminder, this session will be recorded. This way, you won't have to worry about missing out of any detail. So, we have a power-packed agenda ahead, so let's go and get the ball rolling. Our session today will last a maximum of 30 minutes, but of course, I'm open to later discussions. We will start by discussing what to expect in our industry in the coming years. Then, I'll introduce you to the basics and the platform of the solution. And the highlight of this session will be a live demonstration of the 360-degree view of the customer and vehicle. I will present you our holy grail, the holistic view, how we shape it, and how it can aid you in making data-driven decisions. Every industry is being reshaped by digital technology, and the automotive industry is not an exception. Let's talk about the biggest challenges that lie ahead in the near future. I will address the challenges of direct sales and the increasing pressure from manufacturers to use their systems. On the next slide, I will present several compelling arguments as to why you should consider and choose your own solution. The move toward direct sales has been anticipated for some time now, and it raises several questions. How will this change affect dealers and customers? Or what challenges do dealerships need to prepare for? Direct sales in the automotive industry are reshaping the way vehicles are sold, with manufacturer taking a more active role in the sales process. It will be crucial for dealerships to embrace innovation, technology, and customer-centric approaches to be successful in the evolving market. Dealerships need to focus on providing unique value for customers such as personalized service, expertise, and convenience to remain relevant in this changing landscape. Another trend is the push by manufacturers to enforce the use of their own systems. However, this approach has some cons, such as limited flexibility and restricted customization options to fit the specific needs of individual dealers. On the other hand, with your own solution, you have full control over your data. This reduces dependencies on dealer systems and eliminate the risk of losing access to vital customer information. Last but not least, you can customize your automation and processes, create your own segments and customers' journeys, or leverage your own leads. Now, let's delve into the application itself. We'll explore its foundations, the platform it's built on, the benefits and the results from this, and the broad range of features and customer journeys it covers. Automotive CRM is not just a sales tool. It includes modules like marketing, which utilize data from sales for advanced segmentation and creating customer journeys, defining exactly what happened and where. Then there's the customer service and customer care module where you can handle complaints and see direct ties to service transactions, providing immediate understanding of why a customer might be calling with a complaint. Everything integrates into an omni-channel approach where you can engage customers individually through the most effective channels, employing data-driven decisions. This approach helps foster a relationship with the customer, creating a competitive edge for your dealership. Another obvious benefit is the ability to connect external sources to Power BI. This could let your vehicle management system, ERP, your websites, and more. All these factors may make the Automotive CRM a comprehensive tool that covers many aspects of the vehicle sales business. Moreover, the system's integration with Power BI provides nearly unlimited possibilities for reporting, and you won't start from scratch because we deliver a range of predefined dashboards born from our customers' experience in our solution. One of the greatest advantages of our solution is its seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. The unified data foundation simplifies integration between systems. Naturally, Automotive CRM is integrated with other systems such as Office or Teams. And additionally, being part of the Microsoft family enables us to effortlessly create Word templates or bulk edit data using Excel Online. The outcome is a customer view that consolidates information from numerous sources in one place, the single source of truth. This aids in addressing data integrity issues and resolving problems with duplicate records. This all ensures that your team always has accurate and up-to-date data information at their fingertips, making customer interaction more efficient and informed. Leveraging Dynamics 365 offers a multiple of benefits, especially considering its broad set of connectors, custom automation capabilities, and the flexibility to customize the solution to specific business needs. The built-in automation and the built-in automation and orchestration capabilities streamline your workflows, minimizing manual efforts and increase efficiency. You can automate routine tasks, synchronize data across multiple systems, and orchestrate complex multi-step processes, all within a single platform. If I can mention some quick examples from practice, for example, we use data flows to synchronize vehicle stocks with the dealer's website that ensures real-time accurate vehicle availability for potential customer browsing online. Moreover, we utilize custom connectors to control and update data from the national company registers. The system is fully responsible and supports all major platforms, making it accessible on both Windows or Mac devices. You can also connect to the system using your mobile phone or iPad or tablet by accessing the web interface or using the dedicated mobile application. We leverage this application extensively within Automotive CRM, allowing us to send push notification directly to your device. For example, you can receive notification when a new lead or activity is assigned to you as a salesperson. This ensures that you stay informed and get quickly respond to important update while on the go. Now, let's talk about our customers. In general, we focus on two types, premium brands and multiple dealerships. However, this is not a strict rule, and we work with a diverse range of clients. Some of our notable customers include Inweld and CarTech, which are the largest dealership of BMW, Mini, Rolls-Royce, and BMW Motorrad in Czech Republic. So if you have purchased a BMW in the Czech Republic, it's highly likely that it was sold with our system. Another interesting customer worth mentioning is Access, a large multi-brand dealership located on the island of Mauritius. We successfully implemented our solution for them entirely remotely, showcasing our expertise in remote implementation and projects. If you want to learn more, I invite you to visit our website and read the Access success story. It provides a detailed overview of how we help them achieve their goals and the benefits they gained from implementation of our solution. Now, I briefly introduce you to our concept of the 360 views, and then we'll jump right into a live demonstration of the system. So in general, we have these views built over all the key tables, including contacts, accounts, and of course, vehicles. This means that you will have a comprehensive view of your customer interactions, their associated companies, and the vehicles they own or are interested in. With these integrated views, you will have a complete picture of your customer and the journey with your dealership. First, let's clarify some key concepts of the 360 views. In our system, a customer is treated as a single entity, a single record, regardless of whether they are buying a BMW at dealership 1 or a Volvo at dealership 2. To accommodate this scenario, we have developed the concept of responsible salesperson and connection, which I will show you later. That means that you can see that the customer is buying 20 Skodas as a fleet manager at dealership 1, while at dealership 2 they have a Ford as a private individual and have used financial leasing, which expires in 7 months. Secondly, we integrate transactional and service data from the dealership management systems into our CRM systems, CRM solution. Another principle is the inheritance of information about activities across the whole system, and the same is for the documents and all templates which are printed from the system. And based on our experience, we always recommend using the open security system where everyone can see everything. That means that whenever someone performs an activity, such as making a phone call or conducting a test drive for an opportunity or a connected company, that activity is displayed on the contacts profile. The same applies to offers and other documents, which are always visible on the contacts form. These concepts ensure that everyone can see the entire interaction and the value that the customer brings to us at a glance. Whether, whether it's a service technician or a sales manager, they can see the impact even if the customer is new to our brand but has generated significant revenue with another brand. For example, if someone buys a motorcycle for the first time but has previously bought dozens of cars for their company. So now let's finally take a look at how the system actually looks. So now you can see our system. It's open in the web browser, so you can connect from uh, from all of your devices, mobile. And on the left side, you can see our menu with all important tables. Currently, I'm on the contact card, and you can see on the left side the main menu, which is further divided into different work areas. That means the menu can be then customized so that the users can see only areas that are relevant to them. On the upper left side, it's notice the recent and pinned records options. This where you can find the history of open records or pin records that you frequently work with. On the upper side, at the top, you'll find a powerful search tool. It allows you to perform full text searches, so you don't have to enter the exact text, but just a part of it. We have customized the system to search for all relevant fields, whether it's a vehicle identification number, order number, company ID, or a license plate number. And in the center is the main form of a contact, which I will now in detail introduce to you. We utilize so-called multi-layered solution where the product serves as the foundation. And on the top of it, there can be a specific layer tailored to meet unique requirements. You can hide or add fields on the form based on your customer preferences. This means that we can customize the form to show only the fields that are relevant to each specific customer. So let's delve into the form. It's divided to some logical parts. Let's call it tabs. The first one is 360 view, which I will talk about now. So you can see that on the left side, it's the most important information. You can see the name. The interesting thing is this mobile phone. We have developed this special field control that ensures that every phone number has the correct form. So it helps you then for searching and integrations and so on, and synchronization to your Outlook and mobile contacts. There is email with some validation field, some description. The first very interesting thing is here you can see directly own vehicles. So this George Watson now owns at least these 3 vehicles. You can see the next service activity, last service activity, who's the driver, because you can send customer personalized offers or email campaigns directly to drivers, to fleet managers, or other roles. So when you want to call back this car to a service, you will call a driver. So these information are visible on the first car. And very interesting thing is this thing, statistics. The data, sales data, they are from CRM, the service data, they are from integrated DMS systems. And we can divide them into small groups, smaller, so you can see directly that this contact, George Watson, brings this money as labor, this money for accessories, and this money for this specific brand or make. In the center, there is the social pane, so-called, uh, and every activity and interaction you will see directly here. So if you have a related opportunity, somebody creates an activity, you can find it finally here on this social pane. You can see directly that this is overdue, you can filter and so on. A lot of options and features behind. On the right side, there are statistics. So at a glance, you see how many, how much he spent during 5 years, 2 years on purchasing or on service. And that's it. All information in one place. And now we can go quickly through the next steps. You Here are some details. We can track several addresses. We have some marketing information. We also track some price groups. For example, if a customer is in a bar association, you can add them to some specific customer group, and after that, you will take care better, or you will get better prices for them. The next thing is the sales history. On the whole tab, you will see the whole history of this customer. So I can see the whole journey. I see open, qualified, disqualified opportunities. It's completely interactive. So if I click on open, I can see that this open opportunity is related to this lead. And by clicking on this button, I can directly open the record. I'm able to see the opportunity directly in my user experience window. I'm not. It's not necessary to go somewhere and searching for this opportunity again. We have some cases for customer service integration. We have some insights, so you can see information from the marketing itself, the customer journey, the open rate of the emails, and so on. The same with events that he visited and how many emails was sent, and a lot of information behind. The next, our custom built thing is connections. This special control shows us some interesting thing, and that is that a lot of money are often hidden in behind some companies, because every contact has some companies and he optimizes the cash flow so he can buy vehicles on behalf of some accounts. And in a lot of systems, this information is lost, but not in ours. If I mouse over some company, I can directly see that from this company he spent this money, and so on. So I can filter, I can move, and I can at the first glance see everything in one place. Then obviously you have some list of vehicles, sales vehicles, documents. All documents across the systems are placed here in the contacts. So you will see here all offers and handover protocols, invoices, and so on. It will be placed and stored in one place. And service activities, transactions, so I can dive deeper into what is happening with the cars or with the contact, and the final feature, which is very important, is the concept of responsible person, which allows us to track different responsible salesperson for different dealerships or different brands or makes. So every record has the primary owner, and then it can have multiple responsible salesperson. So this was the helicopter view of the customer 360. We gather a lot of information, and you can see everything in one place without any need to go away from the system to external systems. So from my side is everything. I will wait for some questions, or I can add everything you need after the session. Mirko?
Okay, thank you, Ludo. Thanks a lot for your presentation. So let's see if whether we have any questions, and I do not see any in our chat. Okay, so in that case, thank you all for your attention, and we hope to see you in the next installment of our webinar series, which will deal with sales process and how unified platform like Automotive CRM can support, expedite, and make all your sales process perform better. So thank you very much, and see you next time.
Thank you, and feel free to request a tailored demo.
Giving shape to ideas. Konica Minolta.